In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect AnyDesk step by step so you can remotely access another computer in just a few minutes. This is a super useful method if you need to help someone with tech support, work on a remote device, or simply connect to another computer safely and quickly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. Once the app is open, you'll see the main window where you can either receive a connection or start one yourself. Now the next step is very important. Ask the other person to open AnyDesk on their computer as well. Both devices need to have AnyDesk running so the connection can be made properly. After that, have them share their address with you. This is also called their remote address or AnyDesk ID. It's the number or code shown on their screen inside the AnyDesk app. This is the address you'll use to connect to their device, so make sure they give you the correct one. Once you have that remote address, go to the remote desk field in your AnyDesk window. Carefully type or paste the address into that field. Double check it before moving on, because entering the wrong address could connect you to the wrong device or simply fail to connect at all. When the address is ready, click connect, or you can just press enter on your keyboard. AnyDesk will now send a connection request to the other person's device. At this point, you just need to wait a moment for the remote user to receive the request on their screen. Now ask the remote user to click accept. This is the step that authorizes the connection and gives you permission to access their computer. Depending on the settings they choose, they may allow you to view the screen only, or they may grant you full control, including clicking, typing, and navigating. Once the connection is established, you'll be able to see the remote computer on your screen. From here, you can work on the device based on the permissions that were granted. If full access is allowed, you can move the mouse, open apps, manage files, and provide support just like you were sitting in front of the computer. When you're finished, it's very important to end the session properly. To do that, simply click disconnect inside AnyDesk. This will close the remote connection and stop access to the other computer. It's always a good habit to disconnect as soon as your work is done for privacy and security. And that's it, you now know how to connect AnyDesk and start a remote session the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.